Hey, congratulations on making it this far into the course and within the project. And this is the part of the project where you can share the project with your friends, play through it, and just make sure that everything is working as expected. And there is one thing that I did want to update, and I did notice that this value for the dealer, so even when we redeal, that value doesn't update. So if we do have a hidden card, it's showing the actual value there. So it's not updating, it's not hiding it anymore. So we do want to make sure that we take care of that we've got the dealer score and update that text content. And you'll find that there's small things that you do need to take care of and deal with in this scenario. So we see that there we've got the asterisk while it's hidden, and then we'll just do a stand, deal again, and asterisk again, so it's not showing those values. It's not allowing us to hit, so this is a problem as well, that we need to be able to have the option to hit or to stand. So just make sure that that is working properly. So in this case, we've got 20. So let's go back and readjust the ranks. I'm just going to comment that one out in case we do need to have additional testing. So refresh, and let's open it up on the large screen. Hit the deal. We'll just do stand because we didn't bet anything. In this case, we'll bet 50. Bet and deal, so have the new deal coming through, and we'll just stand. So the player busted, so that should actually increase my player cash. And notice as well that it isn't increasing, so we need to update the score for the player cash. So that needs to be done whenever we're updating any of the values. Let's try that one more time. So we've got the deal, hit stand. This time we're going to bet 50, deal, take or stand. I'll stand. So the dealer score 19, dealer wins with 19. So we don't have any player cash because we're betting 50 again. See what happens. Deal, stand, and the dealer scores 20, so the dealer actually won. We have no more cash left. So bet 100 on this. So the dealer busts, so that gave us player cash. So the player cash should be updating to be 200. And right now, as we see it, it's only 100. So it didn't actually update the player cash, which it should have done. So let's take a quick look and see what we're missing with the player cash value. And that's because it's subtracting off of the player cash. So how about we set a value for the player cash, and I'll just comment out the update of the cash. And we'll bet 50. So deal, stand, player, the dealer busts. So we end up with 150. So we got our initial 50 back, plus we earned 50 on that bet. So that's working properly. So again, there is a little bit of playthrough that you need to make in order to make sure that everything is functioning as expected. And once you've played it through a bunch of times, then you should be able to tell if things are working as you want. And if they're not, then make the tweaks and adjustments within the functions as needed. So coming up next, we'll do a final code review.